Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here, we need to show that 1 plus I whole power 2n plus 1 plus 1 minus I whole power 2n is this. Okay, fine. This is a question of de Moivre's theorem, an important 7 marks question. Now see, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I. Okay, means I'm going to write it something of the form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, please stay with me. I'm going to make it easy. First we have to find the modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I. Now how we are going to find out the modulus amplitude form? First we'll take the given complex number as x plus I by. Okay, let 1 plus I is equal to x plus I by. See, now compare the real and imaginary parts. Here real part is 1, real part is x, so x is equal to 1. Here the imaginary part is, you see, 1 plus I. See, 1 plus I is nothing but 1 plus I is nothing but 1 plus I into 1. This can be written as I into 1. So beside I 1 is there. Here also beside I y is there. So y is 1. So okay. Hope this makes it clear if you want to see. X plus iy. So I into 1. So y is 1. X is 1 and y is 1. Now for r is nothing but under root of x square plus y square. Okay, r is nothing but under root of x square plus y square. So here I have root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but root 2. Okay, chalo. Now next we need to find out theta. To find out theta, I'm going to use tan theta is equal to y by x. Okay, tan theta is nothing but y by x. Now tan theta is y by x. What is our y? 1. What is our x? 1. So 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1. 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4, tan 45 degrees. So tan theta is tan pi by 4. So theta is pi by 4. Okay. Now I got my r, I got my theta. Now all that's left is to find out the modulus amplitude form. The modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That is, r is root 2, theta is pi by 4. Root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Till now it's clear? Fine. So now what does this mean is 1 plus I is equal to this root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. That's what is going to be my next step. That's how I'm gonna start. So 1 plus I is nothing but root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Now in the question, if you remember, there is 1 plus I whole power 2n. So I need to find out 1 plus I whole power 2n. So for that, 1 plus I whole power 2n is nothing but this whole power 2n. Fine. So both sides power 2n has come. Just as we square here, we got power 2n on both sides. Okay, fine. Now LHS, you don't have to do anything, just RHS we have to simplify. See, root 2 into this power 2n. See, AB whole power m is AB whole power m is nothing but A power m into B power m. Okay. So likewise, here also, root 2 into this power 2n is nothing but root 2 power 2n into this cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 power 2n. This is what I have. Okay, fine. Now root 2, what is root 2? Root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. Root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. Root 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n. That's what I have. Okay, and now listen to me carefully. Here is where we are applying de Moivre's theorem. As per de Moivre's theorem, whenever we have cos theta plus I sin theta like this, and there is a power 2n like this, okay, so this power will come inside the angle. You see, 2n the power will come inside like this. I mean, it will become a part of the angle like this. Cos 2n, it got multiplied at 2n into pi by 4. So 2n pi by 4. Here also 2n into pi by 4. I hope it's clear. If you want, you can just mention here like by de Moivre's theorem. You can just write here by de Moivre's theorem if you want. By de Moivre's theorem. And you can just mention it. It's fine even if you don't mention it also. It would be good if you mention like this, by de Moivre's theorem. Okay. Now 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n. Listen. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n. 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n is nothing but, it's nothing but 2 power 1 by 2 into 2n. Because a power m whole power n is nothing but a power mn. That means these two powers will get multiplied. Half into 2n, 2 to cancel, 2 power n is going to remain. So this is nothing but 2 bar 1 by 2 whole power 2n is nothing but 2 power n into, here 2 1s are 2 2s are cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2. Take it as equation 1. Okay. I wanted to share something with all of you. So like, you know, now we are done with 1 plus I whole power 2n. You see, in life, we don't get what we want. Now you might think, okay, what is this guy telling? Like, I want something and I work for it, right? See, we want many things. We want many things. Everyone wants to be a crorepati or, you know, a millionaire. But is everyone becoming a millionaire? No, right? Then what's the difference? The difference is that we don't get what we want. We get what we desperately want, what we definitely want, what we absolutely want. That's what we get. There is a huge difference between what we want and what we desperately want. For example, let's say, you know, you got hurt and there is a big cut, then immediately you need some medication, right? So you won't, you know, be calm at that time. You will you know, go to some first aid center or some hospital and get treated immediately. So you see, at that time, as soon as you got the cut, a big cut, you feel that, okay, I need to get it, I definitely need to take care of it. So this is the difference. Okay, like, you know, now the second case scenario, some, like, we want to be fit, many people want to be fit, but they are not able to be, right? Because they do not desperately want it. Those who desperately want it, they start acting on it. So fine, likewise, I suggest you guys to please, you know, I want you guys to desperately become good at, I want you guys to become, how should I say, wait, I want you all to become desperate for your studies. Okay, become so much that, okay, I want to get good marks in my studies. I want you guys to, you know, think like this. Okay, I want to do something good just because my parents want me to study nicely. I want to put in effort. Okay, so with this, now let's come back to the modulus amplitude form of 1 minus I. Okay, now we have to find the modulus amplitude form of 1 minus I. We just found out the modulus amplitude form of 1 plus I. Likewise, now we have to find out the modulus amplitude form of 1 minus I. Okay, same process, take it as x plus iy. So here x is 1, y is minus 1, because 1 minus I is nothing but 1 minus I is nothing but 1 plus I into minus 1, which is nothing but x plus iy. So y is minus 1, x is 1, y. Again, r is same, r is under root x square plus y square, root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square, root of 1 plus 1, which is nothing but root. Tan theta is y by x, so minus 1 by 1, so minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but tan of minus pi by 4, so theta is minus pi by 4. So our modulus amplitude form of 1 minus I is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, that is root into cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. Okay. Chalo, now next. See, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Cos of minus pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 both are same. So this would, in the next step, you will see that this will be cos pi by 4. And sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. So sine of minus pi by 4 is minus sin pi by 4. That minus will come here. So in the next step, you will see that 1 minus I equal to cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. I hope it's clear. Any doubts, please come in the comments box. Okay. Fine. Now, same thing, I need to find out 1 minus I whole power 2n. Okay, so 1 minus I whole power 2n is nothing but this, this power 2, same steps. Okay, just that there's a minus here, that's all. So again, root 2 power 2n into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 whole power 2n, same 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n, again 2n comes here. By de Moivre's theorem, you guys can just mention here, like by de Moivre's theorem, like you guys can write here, by de Moivre's theorem, you guys can write. Okay, now because the power has come into the angle, inside the angle. Now this I already explained, 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 2n is 2 power n to cos n pi by 2 minus I sin and minus I sin n pi by 2. May take it as equation 2. I really like this quote of, you know, our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Like, he tells that if you want to shine like sun, you have to burn like it first. See, it means that we all want the result, but we do not want to put in the effort needed for that. So what Abdul Kalam ji is suggesting is, If you want the result, then you have to put in the effort for it. Okay, now let's come back. So we have two equations, right? 1 plus I whole power 2n and 1 minus I whole power 2n. So just add them. So 1 plus I whole power 2n plus 1 minus I whole power 2n is nothing but this. Okay, just adding the two equations which we got. Fine. So now in these two terms, okay, take 2 power n common. Take 2 power n common. So 2 power n, if you'll take common, cos n pi by 2 plus I sin n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2 minus I sin. This and this, you know, I sin n pi by 2 minus I sin n pi by 2. They'll cancel out each other, and cos n pi by 2 plus cos n pi by 2. A plus A is 2A, so it would be nothing but 2 cos n pi by 2. Fine. Now here one more thing. See, this is like 2 power n into 2 cos n pi by 2, right? See, 2 power n into 2 is nothing but 2 power n into 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2 power n plus 1, because 2 I can write it as 2 power 1, and a power m into a power n is a power m plus 1, so that's why 2 power n into 2 power 1 is 2 power n plus 1. Okay, so here I have 2 power n plus 1 into cos n. That's it. This is what they had asked us to prove, right? This equal to this, and we are done. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. If you have heard the video up till now, this means that you're serious about your studies. You want to do something good. You want to get good marks. Okay, so all the best for your efforts. I hope you do good at your studies and become a good person in future. And in case you like this video, please hit the like button. It would encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Not just this topic, I made questions related to binomial theorem, theory of equations, and in max 2b I made questions related to circles, integration, definite integration, differential equations. So I'd request you to please check out the description, and also you could just go to the playlist section of my channel for some other videos. Once again, thank you.